Hi guys, we're going to go on ScratchJr again and we're going to start another project. So, if you tap and hold a character for 2 seconds and then tap somewhere else, it won't. But when you tap it for 2 seconds, not like dun dun, you just need to tap and hold, and then you press the cross button. You see, everything is blue because we need a character. You press the plus sign. Oh look, it's penguin and polar bear. And then you press the tick plus, scroll down, pick, and then tick. So we're going to go to a little scenery button. I'll show you where it is. But we're going to choose Arctic. It's like this little landscape. And we're going to make the polar bear, penguin jump over the polar bear. So we're going to make it go up. But today we're going to learn something new. This little tap object means when you tap it, it goes up. Well, polar bear needs to go up, but make sure you do the right one. So just press 1 to make it. Just press 1 if you want to do something on it. You see, always it will play the same thing. It won't disappear. When you tap it, it goes up. Ooh, do you think it needs to go up 3? Maybe. Or do you want it to be 4? Well, you see, now it needs to go left. Let's say 10. So, like this. But it will be a bit hard like this. So, you'll need to separate them, but if you want, we can start with the green flag for now. So, go back to blue, press the green flag, then we're going to press the green flag again. Then we're going to press down. It was up 4, so it will be down 4. Then go forward 2. And you will know something cool today. So this round and round and round button is a stop button. But when it stops, it goes again and again. So let's try it. But then it's going to go the other way. Well, 15. I know, because 2 plus 13, 14, 15. And then we just need to write 15. Let's try it. See? And then you just press, and then you just do this. If you want, you can copy mine, or you can make your own. press the 4 button. Looks cool, huh?